Do you want to delete Repost from X profile? You can undo Repost from Twitter with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To delete a repost from your profile on X. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Once you are on X, tap on your profile icon or picture located at the top left corner of the screen to open the side menu. From the menu, tap on your profile name to open your profile page. On your profile, scroll through your posts to find the repost you want to delete. Reposts are usually marked with a reposted label above the post. Once you find the repost, tap on the repost icon below that post. A small menu will appear with repost options. From the menu, tap on Undo Repost to remove it from your profile. Once done, the repost will be deleted from your profile and will no longer appear on your timeline.